if I have a client, right, and I could say, hey, if you can give me 30 seconds, right, to explain to you how it works on buying a house, could you give me a 30-second rundown of the protocol for buying a house on the lending side?
Yeah. You want me to get to you in 30 seconds?
I'm ready. Your elevator pitch right here.
Yeah, Nick, I mean, there's three big things that we look at when qualifying for somebody to be able to buy a house. It's credit, it's cash, and it's capacity. We need to understand your credit, we need to understand what kind of cash you have, and we need to understand your ability to repay that loan. Those are the three things that we focus on.
Well, that's less than 30 seconds.
Yeah, it's 30 seconds. I mean, it's pretty simple. Now, I can go to a lot of detail. My calls are 15 minutes, but that's what my 15-minute call is with every client around those three items.
Absolutely.
I explain to them, right, what it is that credit, cash, and capacity means in our world today. Been doing this 25 years, guys, and it's changed a lot. Right. But, we talk about what do those three things mean. And then I ask them where they think they are. And then my job is to get them closer to what they ultimately want, which is the loan that is meeting and exceeding their expectations, and delivering them a loan that is able to show them how they're buying with the lowest total cost of ownership. Right? It's not about putting just a rate or a fee or a payment in front of them. It's saying, look, here are your options, and this is the one that I recommend because it's going to deliver the lowest cost of ownership over the period of time that you're going to keep the house.
Yeah.
And that's important. I mean, how long do you plan on keeping the house? Most people don't even think about that. Well, why would you ask that question? Well, there's loans that work great for people that are going to stay in the house for 5 years, 7 years, 12 years. Or if this is a long-term, hey, this is my in-house, I'm 30 years. Okay, great. We can make certain decisions once we know that the end goal. And we'll ask that up front.
And I didn't mean to put you on the spot, but I think it's important.
I'm always on the spot, man.
It's important for clients to know that, or not clients, customers, right? By definition, if they haven't signed with you or agreed to representation, for them to know that, because the perception is out there is, I don't want to go down the road of buying a house, dealing with a lender, right? I mean, there's a perception, and I wanted to hear the 30-second because literally, if they take a couple minutes of a phone call, then they get that perception will be broken of.
Oh my gosh!
It's such a hassle-free thing. I mean, it's quick.
Well, first it's a phone call, so it's not like I got to run credit. It's not like I'm gonna check out your bank accounts on that call. I mean, it's literally the curtain comes down and we just have a conversation because my job ultimately is to get you where you want to get to.